What if the Philippines had the power to become unstoppable? Today, we embark on a journey, a glimpse into the future, where game-changing technologies could make the Philippines a force to be reckoned with. From the bustling cities to the furthest stretches of its archipelago, the Philippines has always sought to chart its own destiny. Join us as we unveil 10 military technologies poised to redefine the nation's defense and perhaps its very future. The glistening waters of the Philippine Sea, a source of life and beauty, also hold the potential for conflict. To safeguard these precious waters, a new breed of guardians is needed. Advanced anti-ship missiles. Imagine sleek, supersonic projectiles, each one a marvel of engineering, capable of striking fear into the heart of any adversary. These are not mere weapons, but intricate systems, guided by cutting-edge technology. With these missiles, the Philippines could defend its coasts like never before. Picture this, a hostile vessel encroaching upon Philippine waters, threatening the nation's sovereignty. Suddenly, a surge of power, a fiery streak across the sky as an advanced anti-ship missile is unleashed. These missiles represent more than just firepower. They are a symbol of deterrence, a silent but potent message to the world. The Philippines will not be easily intimidated. In the vast expanse of the Philippine archipelago, vigilance is paramount. To truly safeguard its territory, the nation needs eyes that see all that can pierce through the fog of uncertainty. This is where long-range drones take flight, becoming silent sentinels in the sky. Equipped with high-resolution cameras and advanced sensors, they paint a detailed picture of the world below. Imagine drones silently patrolling the skies above the West Philippine Sea, providing real-time intelligence to Philippine forces. These drones would make it almost impossible for intruders to enter undetected, their every move tracked and analyzed. The information they gather, the insights they provide, are invaluable assets, bolstering the Philippines' ability to respond to threats and protect its interests with unwavering resolve. Beneath the surface of the shimmering waves, a new breed of defender emerges, the stealth submarine. These underwater marvels are the embodiment of stealth and strategic prowess, adding a crucial dimension to the Philippines' defense strategy. Imagine a submarine, cloaked in the latest stealth technology, gliding silently through the depths of the Philippine archipelago. Undetected, it becomes a silent guardian, a potent symbol of the nation's commitment to safeguarding its maritime domain. These submarines are not mere vessels. They are underwater fortresses, equipped with advanced sonar systems and torpedoes. In the event of a conflict, these stealth submarines could prove decisive, striking enemy vessels with pinpoint accuracy and protecting the Philippines' maritime interests with unmatched effectiveness. In the 21st century, battlefields are no longer confined to land, sea, or air. The digital realm has emerged as a new frontier of warfare where data is weaponized. The Philippines must harness the power of cyber warfare capabilities. This is a war fought with lines of code and sophisticated algorithms. Imagine a team of cybersecurity experts protecting the Philippines' critical infrastructure. They are the nation's digital guardians, neutralizing attacks before they cause damage. Developing offensive cyber capabilities can deter potential adversaries. Cyber warfare will only become more important. By investing in cyber capabilities, the Philippines can ensure security in both worlds. In a world fraught with uncertainty, early warning is paramount. To counter potential threats before they materialize, the Philippines needs eyes that can pierce through the fog of war, that can detect danger lurking beyond the horizon. This is where advanced radar systems come into play, becoming the nation's first line of defense. Imagine a network of radar stations strategically positioned across the archipelago, their antennas scanning the skies and seas relentlessly. These are not your grandfather's radar systems. They are marvels of modern engineering, capable of detecting even the stealthiest of aircraft and missiles. These advanced systems would provide ample warning time, allowing the Philippine military to scramble its fighters, deploy its naval assets, and activate its air defense systems. They can differentiate between friendly and hostile aircraft, reducing the risk of miscalculation and escalation. By investing in these systems, the Philippines can bolster its deterrence capabilities and ensure that it remains one step ahead of any potential adversary. The vast expanse of the Philippine sky, a symbol of freedom and hope, also represents a potential vulnerability. To ensure that this airspace remains secure, the Philippines needs a robust and modern anti-aircraft defense system capable of repelling any aerial threat. Imagine a network of surface-to-air missile batteries strategically deployed across the archipelago, ready to unleash a storm of defensive firepower. These are not mere weapons. They are highly sophisticated systems, guided by advanced radar and fire control systems. These systems would be capable of engaging multiple targets simultaneously. They would form an unyielding shield, protecting Philippine cities and infrastructure. The knowledge that the Philippines possesses the capability to shoot down hostile aircraft would make any potential aggressor think twice before venturing into Philippine airspace. By investing in these systems, the Philippines can ensure that its skies remain secure and that its people can live and prosper without fear of attack from above. The Philippines, with its intricate tapestry of islands, faces unique defense challenges. To secure its vast archipelago, the nation needs a versatile force capable of traversing both land and sea. Amphibious assault vehicles are the backbone of a modern military force. Imagine a squadron of these vehicles roaring out of the surf, storming ashore. They are armored fighting vehicles, equipped with cannons, machine guns, and advanced communication systems. These vehicles enable rapid response across the nation's islands for defense or disaster relief. In the vast expanse of the Philippine sky, where freedom and sovereignty intertwine, a new breed of guardian is needed. Fighter jets armed with cutting-edge technology. These are not mere aircraft, they are symbols of national pride, of a nation determined to safeguard its airspace and deter any potential aggression. Imagine a squadron of sleek, supersonic fighter jets soaring through the Philippine skies, their silhouettes a testament to technological prowess. These aircraft, equipped with advanced radar systems, long-range missiles, and electronic countermeasures, would be the guardians of Philippine sovereignty. They would provide a rapid response capability, able to intercept hostile aircraft, deter intrusions into Philippine airspace, and project power when necessary. These fighter jets can also be used for reconnaissance missions, gathering vital intelligence on enemy movements and capabilities. By investing in state-of-the-art fighter jets, the Philippines can ensure that its skies remain secure and that it has the capability to defend its interests at home and abroad. The Philippines, with its extensive coastline and strategic location, is both blessed and challenged by its geography. To effectively control its territorial waters and deter potential adversaries, the nation needs a robust coastal defense system, one that can repel any threat from the sea. Imagine a network of coastal defense batteries strategically positioned along the Philippine archipelago, their guns trained on the horizon, standing guard against any maritime intrusion. These are not relics of a bygone era. They are modern marvels of military engineering, equipped with long-range cannons, sophisticated targeting systems, and advanced ammunition. These batteries would be capable of engaging enemy warships, submarines, and even landing craft, denying them access to Philippine waters and protecting the nation's maritime interests. By investing in these systems, the Philippines can ensure that its territorial waters remain secure. The Philippines, a nation inextricably linked to the sea, requires a modern and capable navy to safeguard its maritime interests and uphold its sovereignty. At the heart of this naval force must be advanced warships equipped with state-of-the-art missile defense systems capable of projecting power and deterring aggression across the vast expanse of the Philippine archipelago. Imagine a fleet of sleek modern warships cutting through the waves, their silhouettes a testament to the nation's commitment to maritime security. These vessels, armed with a sophisticated array of missiles, radar systems, and electronic countermeasures, would be the guardians of Philippine waters. They would provide a credible deterrent against any potential adversary, capable of responding swiftly and decisively to any threat to Philippine sovereignty. These warships can also be deployed for a variety of missions, from humanitarian assistance and disaster relief to maritime security patrols and anti-piracy operations. By investing in advanced warships equipped with missile defense systems, the Philippines can ensure that its maritime interests are protected. As we have seen, from the depths of the ocean to the vast expanse of cyberspace, the Philippines has the potential to become an unstoppable force. Each of these 10 technologies, from advanced anti-ship missiles and stealth submarines to cyber warfare capabilities and cutting-edge fighter jets, offers a unique advantage, a piece of the puzzle that could dramatically change the nation's defense capabilities. These technologies aren't just tools, they're symbols of a stronger, more resilient Philippines. A nation ready to stand tall on the global stage, safeguarding its people and its future. But the question remains, which of these technologies do you think would make the biggest impact? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.